So which one of these do you need for your next camping trip? Hey, this is John Young. Today we're looking at two little RYOBI area lights that are going to be something you want to check out for camping if you haven't already checked these out. We've got an older generation here that is a 330 lumen. The newer one that came out with the RYOBI days this year. This is a 400 lumen unit. Model number on this one is the P796 on that one. And this one, model number is P781. Now, sometimes these are not available. They've been replaced by a slightly newer model on these, but I wanted to give you an idea of what the differences are because some people have been like, hey, I've got this, do I need to upgrade to that? This is gonna tell you that. First off, one thing you'll notice is that this is a all area light. It's going to be basically beaming light everywhere. It's a soft diffuser on this, so it's going to be sending light everywhere. This particular one, you can see it's kind of a frosted diffuser forward and backward, so you're not going to get the up in the air. Now for some situations that might be appealing, this might be appealing, but the big thing we want to know is how much light are they going to throw. So let's turn off our main light here in the room and see what these will do. So we're going to turn it so we have our power buttons are both on the front here. So let's start with the area light. We have three settings. This is the brightest setting. And I'm going to come back here just a little bit so you get an idea. I wanted to put this cardboard up so you could see and kind of compare. And we're going to take this and I'm going to put this in a side-by-side of what it looks like. Okay, we're going to shut this down. Now we'll go to, we have two settings here. And now you'll see that it is not going up, but we have more light coming forward. Let's turn them on together. So we've got a cooler white going on here. There's a slight kind of a blue. I would say this is probably going to be closer to that 4000K bulb, not the 5000, 4000. And this is a warmer, so you're probably looking at about a 3000K here, somewhere in that ballpark. As we look at the color pattern, you can see that this light has got a beam coming through here where we have a nice, I'm going to shut this one off so you can kind of see this. You can kind of see we just get a nice diffused look from that. And now I'm going to put it down on the floor and then we're going to look up at the ceiling, which is about 9 feet away. So you can see we're getting some light on the ceiling from this, and there's the shadow from the table it's by. So we're getting some lighting coming across. You can see let's see, there's my hand, the shadow of my hand coming across there. So that'll give you an idea of what that one can do as far as lighting. That's about 9 feet up. So if you were in a tent or something and you wanted to refract some light off the tent, this would be a great option. Let's switch lights. Okay, since there's no light that comes out the top, this is what you have. It's on full, but we're gonna lay it on its side. So we're getting some light from it, but you're seeing it's just not even close as far as the brightness of it. You're getting, here's that band of light, that beam of light. But other than that, you're really not getting anywhere as much light. And this is only, again, sending that light out in that band around the fixture. It's not doing anything above or, kind of at an angle even above it. So if you're looking for something for camping on a picnic table, this guy would probably be a better option for a larger area. If you're going to be, say, under your awning of your RV, that you could set this down and it could refract off the RV and the top of the awning, this could be a great option. If you were worried about bugs, yeah, we can dim this a little bit, but then it loses a lot of its effectiveness. Where if we've got a buggy situation and we want to just have the light on the table, let's just move this off to the side, and we want to have the table illuminated, this would give us an option for that. Let's just switch that and show, because if we're looking at, here we go, the table, you can see there's a little bit of light, but very little light is getting at that table. We need to be here to get the table illuminated. So if you're needing to illuminate an area, I think the 796 is your option. And if you're needing to basically keep it on a picnic table, I think the 781 is the best option. Well, that's our little test. We'll put a link in the description below so you can go check out both of these. You can find a lot of the RYOBI tools at Home Depot. And again, links down below. Go check them out.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.